Recently, I completed a popcorn packaging design project. When my client saw my work, he were absolutely amazed. So let's share the journey of the popcorn packaging design. One day, I suddenly received an email, and when I opened it, I saw that my dear client was requesting an attractive packaging design for their new popcorn product. He attached the measurements, logo, and the product itself. However, before diving into the design, I requested a meeting with the client to discuss all the details. We were scheduled for a Google meeting to get a clearer understanding of the client's needs and vision for the packaging. After clearly understanding the requirement, I accepted the challenge. I started working with the measurements and I focused on creating an appealing design that would meet the client's business, customer needs, and their vision. After creating the packaging design, my goal was to make sure it would catch everyone's eye and elevate the client's business to the next level. Finally, I shared the design with the client. They said, "Wow, that design is truly outstanding." And I could tell the client was happy. That was my design journey. In the next video, I will share another design story.